All right, this is video 3, and that'll be it. Thank goodness, but there's more coming, of course. But anyway, I'll quit beating myself up here. All right, so this one is going to be dies, stamps, and embossing folders. Now, this is very similar to this die set that I got off American Crafts, but it's a little bit bigger, and it has 2 bows. So this is how they used it, this frame here. And then I think... yeah, and here it is again. You could look at how they layered that up. That's really pretty. Okay, look at that. I like it. So there's that. And I got this. Oh, wait a minute. My tape measure. Let's see here. It would make a cute slimline. It's a small slimline. It's just a smidge over 6 inches long. By, sorry, I'm not in frame, 2.5 about, approximately. And here's what they showed, made a shaker out of it. A little shaky there. Already put away all of those stickers. Okay, getting into the goose thing. Here we go. Duck, duck, goose. Telling you. So I got 2 goose ones. I don't know that I knew. They're 2 different ones, but so you get 3 geese. All the little feetsies, flowers, paper piecing. Now, one way to do this is just, I would probably keep these on. I don't always take, meaning I don't clip them apart. Run it through on white and color them. It's way faster. Just saying. Or run them through in different colors that you need, but sometimes clipping them apart takes longer. Oh, I'm not telling you prices. Oh my gosh, that was $5.42. This one was, because you need to know, because the prices won't even be the same, $4.21. And this little doohickey here was $3.46. Speaking of American Crafts, the vault sale's back up. Not that I've looked at it at all. Not. Okay, here's the other goose one. This one was $5.79, and this comes with flying geese, party hats, crowns. Let me see. I thought I tried to open all of these. So you'll notice on video 2, if you watched it with stickers, I stopped and get things organized and come back on. So it's gonna stop and start. That's why I did that, because it was just too many things to open and close. We would have been there for 5 hours. Okay. Anyway, so you get the big goose. Water. Cute. Yeah. Cute, more cute. Little boots. And a lot of pieces. And again, I'd probably just run this off in white and then color each piece. Just easier. Just saying. Still a challenge, but a little easier. So there you go. I've got my goose need filled there. Just cracks me up that those are coming back in style. Everything comes back around, you know. Then I got this one, and I just thought the rabbits don't come with it, but this little frame does. Look at that. I could put some of my stickers in here. Yeah. Cute. Isn't that pretty? And it's like the flower is a heart. I like it. And that little guy was $2.33. And I opened it. Yes, I did. There we go. Okay. And then some stamps. So I got this set here. Oops, upside down. Cats. Miss Vienna loves her kitties. So, of course, now Grandma loves kitties. They have chickens. I got chickens. I'm telling you. Cute. And here's their... inspiration page, I guess you could call it. So there's that. And then I thought these little woodsy characters, here they are, colored up. Isn't that cute? And here's my white paper. Okay. There we go. Oh, you even get mushrooms. So there's your owl, little, what is that, a fox? Birds. Or is that a fox? What's this guy? A wolverine? I don't know. There's my squirrely, though. But aren't these both foxes? I don't know. Leave a comment below if you know what each of these is. I think this is the fox. Why do I care? Oh, let's see how they colored it up. Maybe that'll help us. Squirrel. You know what? They didn't color that one up. Oh, it's a raccoon. There he is. See why I print these up? Okay. Gosh, without it colored, I could not tell. Now, I like this company. Put it in a Ziploc bag. Thank you. Then I got this background stamp. And one reason I print them off is so I have a saved on my computer what I bought. I'm trying to be better about looking back and seeing what I purchased. $2.49, so I don't, you know, I still will, but order the same thing or forget about them. Okay, well, there you go. It won't come out. Okay, never mind. There it is, and that's how big it is. I'm not going to... Yeah, I'm not going to do it. I'm not doing it. Okay, this one, you know, I love those. What don't I like? 316. This is the inspiration page, but here, let's look at what you get. Aren't these pretty? I don't think I have these. You're probably going to go comment below if I have these. Yes, Kim, you have those. You guys are so cute. You remember what's in my stash better than I do. How's that work? I'm impressed. Okay, so there we go. Yeah, this is going to be a quick one, guys. So I got 3 3D embossing folders. 2 of them come with a die, which is so fun. So here's what this one does. So it matches this flower. Oh, I even brought colored paper over so we can see it better. So this goes with this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I just love that concept of, and this is how they did it, showed it. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. So you'd have to run it through twice. Once for the background and once for die cutting, I guess. And then I got this gorgeous... No, you know what? Only one of them came with a die, I think. Anyway, sunflower. This does a sunflower because it seems to be the new flower I'm into. Look at this. Gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? And here's how they showed one of the pictures. So you just run it through and color it up. And into the embossing folders. I mean, it's very pretty. Okay, there's that. And I need to go in and organize all my vaults, bins of bows. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one was $8.40. These aren't too cheap. $8.42, but they're still cheaper than retail, right? So this does bows. Look at that. And they come out, it's a 3D-er, so they're embossed higher than normal. So that, my friends, is video number 3. I'm done with this Temu, 3 Temu hauls. Thanks for hanging in with me. And, yeah, let me know what you think. If there's anything you can't find in the links below, let me know. And I will try my best to find it for you and send you the actual link to that item. I just can't do all of them. I can't do it. This has been a quite the adventure here. All right, you guys, take care, and thanks for hanging with me. Bye-bye.